Good day, learners. Welcome to the new normal class. By the way, I am Jocelyn Imbais, your subject teacher in ICT 9 Computer Hardware Servicing. This lesson will be your second quarter in week 3. Our topic for today is all about key concept in marketing. The objectives here: first, you have defined marketing. Second, explain the 5 core marketing concepts. And lastly, explain the 2 bases of competitors. But before we will proceed to our discussion, let's have an agreement first. Be a good listener, and if you like to become a good listener, only your eyes and ears open. Okay, key concept in marketing. What can you say about our topic? Okay, let's find out. Okay, what is marketing? Marketing is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and value with others. There are 5 core marketing concepts. First, you have the needs, wants, and demands. Second, products. Third, the value, satisfaction, and quality. Fourth, exchange, transaction, and relationship. And lastly, we have the markets. Okay, those are the 5 core marketing and concept. Needs, wants, and demands. Needs, states of wealth deprivation, physical, social, and individual needs. Wants, the form taken by human needs as they are shaped by culture and individual personality. Demands, human wants that are backed buying power. Products, anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. It includes physical objects, services, persons, place, organizations, and ideas. Okay, that's called products. Let's proceed in value, satisfaction, and quality. Customer value, the difference between the values the customer gains from owning and using a product and the cost of obtaining the product. Customer satisfaction, the extent to which a product's perceived performance matches a buyer's expectation. Total Quality Management or TQM, programs designed to cons- the quality of products, services, and marketing process. Exchange, transaction, and relationship. Exchange. Exchange is the act of obtaining a designed object from someone by offering something in return. Transaction, a trade between 2 parties that involves at least 2 things of value, agreed upon condition, a time of agreement, and a place of agreement. Relationship marketing, the process of creating, maintaining, and enhancing strong, value-laden relationships with customers and other stakeholders. Market, the seat of all actual and potential buyers of a product or service. Marketplace, physical as when one goes shopping in a store. Market space is digital as when one goes shopping on the internet. Metamarket is used to describe a cluster of complementary products and services that are closely related in the minds of consumers, but across a diverse set of industries. Do you have a questions? If none, then let's proceed. Competitors are those who have the products and services similar to you and where customers who are buying something will compare your offerings and prices directly, weighing up against the other. And there are three identifying category membership. First, we have the announcing category. Second, comparing to exemplars. And lastly, we have relying on the product descriptor. And there are two types of competitors. First, we have the industry competitors and the market. And there are three things to analyze about the competitors. Competitors' share of market. Competitors' share of mind of consumers. Competitors' share of heart with respect to consumers. There are two bases of competitors. First, we have the perfect competition market. A market is said to be perfectly competitive market when there are many sellers and buyers transacting a homogeneous product. And there are many sellers, homogeneous product is sold. Sellers do not have control over the price of the community farm commodities. The second basis of competitors, imperfect competition market, is a competitive market situation where there are many sellers, but they are selling heterogeneous, dissimilar goods as opposed to the perfect competitive market scenario, as the name suggests, competitive but are imperfect in nature. The products are similar but not identical. Prices are not uniform throughout the market. There is restriction on movement of goods from one place to another place. In perfect competition market, first have monopolistic. When we say monopolistic, it is many sellers. Pure oligopoly, few sellers. Differentiated oligopoly, few sellers. Monopoly, one seller. Monopsony, one buyer but many sellers. Oligopsony, only few buyers. And the bilateral monopoly, it is a single seller faces single buyers. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, clarifications, you can contact my cell phone number 0926-9948-254. For your activity and test, just visit our GaitF link. gaitf.sims.school/LCMS. Just visit our learning path in test and assignment and answer your activity and test. Okay, thank you for listening. And once again, good morning.